Tibor Pinchulitas. Umakantagan, lumakas na fight Kalibay. Bilang na pa niya si Mr. Kalibay. Sa black, curtain si Melia. Looking to chase number 1. Parang nice block ng Kalibay. Ricardo Kalibay. Nice! Team Chichigas versus Team Bandaman. Terus para Arellano melakukan Team Bandaman leader Billy Maway. Yes! Pero ngayon, mas nakiyot na ngayon ang mga pagbakat po mga nagbalbiran. Look ito, wala sa tulad. Sumagasa. Music the last goal with 2 points. From 0 po tayo walang start. Kalibay ngayon. Looking to Kalibay pumirma. Shot lock down to the team. Pumukoy sa lukto. Happy Pesta. Senyor Santelino sa Rebola. Bang! Uno. Dos. Tres. C. 15 second shot lock. Kalibay ngayon sa Aliop. Kick them. 2 points kick them. Tutunay. Kalibay sa ilalim. Sa Priel. Bang! Uno, dos, tres. Sa team center ni RC. Supan-pan kay Timke. Nice block, Timke. Kalibay on the way. Lumipad sa ere. Good for 2 points. RC looking to Kalibay sa Rebolay. Bang! Uno, dos, tres. 5 team singles to shot. Kalibay ang walang tadan. Nice pass. Deliver using the glass. Good for 2 points. Pantukan. Nice pass. Kimking. Nakawala si Kimking. Looking to choose the president ito. Melia. Ilangat. Looking for 2 points. Melia. Score natin. Arellano. Looking to. Sa Rebolay. Bang! Uno. Dos. Tres. Sa team sa inyo. Kalibay. Umatake. Sumagasa. Zigzag moves. Ilangat. One balance ball. 5. Kalibay. Good for 2 points. 1-20. 2 points Kalibay. 15 seconds. Kalibay ngayon control the ball from Team Chichigas. Babaso. 15 second shot lang. Seconds to play. 10 seconds to shot. 55. Kalibay, pick. Inanak. Good for 2 points, Kalibay. 40. Raja, mga tao. 15 seconds shot lang. 2 points. 35. Inanak. Good for 2 points. Jersey number 21. Second shot na. Nice cut. Good for 2 points Kalibay. Score natin is kailangan 42. Between 3-4. Tibor Pinchulitas. Raja. Umakantagan. Lumakas. Nice back fight Kalibay. Bilang na pa niya si Mr. Kalibay. Sa black. Curtain seat. Sa Rebolay. 5 seconds to shoot. Good for 3 points. Bilibay. Hindi Steve Banchubay. Happy Pesta, Senyor Santelino. 15 second shot na. Bang! Rock Anas, rock the point. Shoot by Kalibay. Jules Pastor. Jack Agwan, Steve Banchubay. Kalibay. 2 points Kalibay. Score na dito. Mabaso, walang katao-tao kay Kalibay. Hinintay pang kalaban. Arellano. Put back by jersey number 21. Score na team 39-29. Team point lead. Dilima. Ready by Raja. Lumipad sa ere. Good for 2 points Raja. Arellano. Nakawala. Nice drive Arellano. In this drive got you by Happy Pesta. RC open from the window. Kalibay, pull back. Nice. Good for 2 points. Kalito, RC, bibip. No. Pull back by Mahinay. 2 points Mahinay. Score, 1 minute Jersey doesn't play. Lumipad sa ere. Goal for 2 points. 14 seconds to shot. 25, 10 seconds to shot. 20, 5 seconds shot clock. What a nice goal for 2 points. Kandula. 15. Kalibay. Nice pass. Arce deliver. Goal for 2 points. Arce. Ito Kalibay control the ball from Team GG Gas. Shot clock down to 15 seconds to shot. Kalibay Marantana. Lumipad. What a nice one for using the pass. Increase. Using the ball out pass to Kimke. Kimke Aliok. What a nice pass. Deliver. Increase Aliok. Brought to by Zing. Kalibay to Kalibay. Kalibay. Brothers go for 2 points. 5 minutes time remaining. Scores in Diliman by Jersey was with the ball. Goal for 3 points. Jersey number 72. Natin. D. Lemito. D. Jersey number 4. At 21. 20 seconds shot back. Under the third quarter. Ilangat. Goal for 2 points. Jersey number 72. 125. 15 seconds shot clock. 120. 10 seconds to shot. 1 equals to shot. 10 seconds to shot. 3 points. RC. Building. 5. Vote for 3 points. Mahina yung ulang tangan ng bola from PGG Gaza. Mabasong rong at bola siya knockdown at yung balilay mabaso. Mabaso na yung makakada. Mabaso siya knockdown. Naging to lumantad. Naging to mabaso. Sabay mo ng Pokemon. Wala. Tagdula. Losing the pass. Nice pull back. Tagdula. Arce siya knockdown. Arce. Nice move. Agawan sa iyo. Pull back by lumantad. The first 2 points. Lumantad. Score 71-46 for Mr. Dilma. Mahina. Agawan sa iyo. Jersey Delight. Tagdula. Pagsabalanay pa. Itaas. Grabe. Mabaso. Mabaso mga kanaan na sa Pilipinas. Using the pass to the finish line by Mr. RC. 15 seconds shot na. Mabaso na yung hinarangan. Shot na down the team. RC sa red line. Bingo! 1, 2, 3 by RC. And this 3 points to shot. One for 2 points. That's the right drive by RC. Score 17. Score 8. 3 seconds to shot. There's a 3 points. RC. There's a 3 points.